Hey, you look so beautiful. Ah, thank you. I don't know what to say, just lie something, like I did. Interviewer.
Today's video show you how to convert photo to video. Let's see how to do it. So first you search DDI. This is the AI tool. This one. You click in here. After that you have to sign up. You can sign up your email address. Okay. For example, you click in try it now. You click here. Try it now. Click in here. I already log in. If you're not log in, you have to create account. Okay. In this case, you using your email address. So it takes few seconds. This is the best AI conversion tool I ever seen. After that you see that these kinds of interface. So you have to create video, that's why you have to click create video. You have to click create video in here, you can click here. Same things happened, okay? You click in here. After that you have to add photo. Click in here. Add. You can click in add photo. It takes few seconds. So after that I click choose this photo, so it's upload now. It takes few seconds as well. So yeah, it's upload now. You need script as well. Okay, how to find script? For example, I search in a Google funny dialogue in English. Funny dialogue in English. I search in a Google funny dialogue. After that, you need script. I copy one of the script, then paste it. Okay. So then after that, you have to generate video. Click in here, generate video. It's already generate. It takes few seconds. Yes, it's already generate, and click generate. I think it's almost done. I think it's done. It's loading. Yes, then click in here. You can download your video, you can share your video, you can delete your
A
video.
guy knows he's in love when he loses interest in his car for a couple of days.
So I think I hope you can do it yourself, and sometimes you make your friend irritated for funny dialogue. Thank you very much. Bye bye.